Starting out in a modified child's pose, get down to the ground face down, elbows connect with the knees, and use your fists as a pillow. Practice deep nasal belly breaths, sniffing air in through your nose, filling up your belly. Think of pushing your belly button against your legs, expanding your lower ribs on the sides, and just breathe. Now transitioning into head nods in this position, only working in your pain-free range of motion, tucking chin towards chest, and then looking up towards the sky. Still keeping the tongue on the roof of your mouth, sniffing air in through your nose here. Now we're going to try to find your shoes. You might want to lengthen your arms. Going to transition back to your back, arms out at a T, doing some windshield wipers, showing it here with bent legs, feet off the ground. You could always put your feet back on the ground if that feels better. Your main goal is to keep arms and shoulders down, planted into the ground, while breathing in your nose with your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Now transitioning back into that forearm TV watching position, leading with your eyes, connecting elbow and knee to the seated position, and then connecting the other side back to that TV watching position. Nice gentle roll here, TV watching position, seated position, back to the TV watching position. Now we're going to transition to your rocking. Rocking feels good with toes tucked underneath. It also feels good on the top of your shoelaces. You can pick one and really explore it, or you can do what I do here and intermix them, doing a little bit of both. Still keeping the tongue on the roof of your mouth, sniffing air in through your nose here. Transitioning back to your back. Going to do some dying bug legs. You reach all four limbs to the sky, and then you reach one pair of opposites away from each other. So right arm, left leg reach away, and then left arm, right leg reach away. Keep cycling between the two. Still sniffing air in your nose, tongue behind your teeth, taking belly breaths here. And that is it. Got you started and finished in 5 minutes. Enjoy the rest of your day.